course flee even on the go. That's the difference. Ladies and gentlemen, with this comfortable size, we have one interesting point with the Galaxy Note 8.0. Another thing is, of course, to mention that we have, with that device and in combination with the S Pen, something we say will bring together one of the best things coming from the digital world.
Well, here you've got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8.0. In this new Note, you've got the option to be working into different screens. For example, you are doing something in internet and then you say, oh, I want to check the gallery or send an email or something. You've got the option easily to be working in the two screens at the same time. With this S Pen, with this new technology, the Note will recognize the S Pen in the screen, and with this button you press it and you can get a new command, a new quick command. Question mark, for example, car. And it goes directly to Google to find the word you have said. The same with Google Maps. Quick commands, make like this, for example, and it goes directly to the Google Maps to look for your location. You've got Google Maps. Then with tablets, you know that when you spend a lot of time looking at the screen or reading, it's a new thing, you've got the reading mode. When you activate the reading mode, in the screen the black colors are not so black, the whites are not so white, and that's why it's really comfortable to work with this mode activated. Then you've got another program, the S Note, is really interesting. I will show you a photo, gallery. For example, we choose this photo and we say, okay, for me it's important this part. You select, you can send it as an image to your email, the Dropbox, or in this case we will send it to the S Note. Here we create a new note. You've got your photo here. You can do it bigger or smaller. Oh, create a note. And as I told you, you can do it smaller, bigger, you can move it, change the color, everything you want. Then, when you want to take notes, in this case you've got different pens and pencils in different colors, you just have to press, to put the pencil next to the screen and press the button, and you can change really easily the color of your pencil. Then another interesting thing is that when you're taking notes, there is no need to do first the notes and then go to a Word or any other program and do it here directly. You've got the option to have the text. For example, the same with formulas. If the mathematical formula is recognized, in this case, you can search it. You will have it in internet and you say, okay, so I'm interested, anything, you can say in this part. And this part appears as an image, and as well you can send it or send it directly to the S Note. And here you can work with this, creating a new note. Here as well, it's curious, you've got the idea sketch, just writing down, for example, car again, and you go directly to the library with all the sketches of cars. You've got it, you can move it, print it, send it. Then another good application in the calendar. Here you've got calendar and you've got the option to do it with yourself. You can just mark different things. It's more like personal. You can add an activity and you've got plenty of steps to work.
nearly double speed downloading something. So this is really amazing what happens
and it appears to the day you have chosen.
You have a drag and drop tray, so you can bring all the application on the screen you want, and of course you can move this tray. So it's very interesting to see how you can build your own very interactive multitasking Galaxy 8.0 in that way. So quite interesting to size. We have to think about, with such a device, bringing digital analog together, we have to think about it will be redefining the way we watch, the way we listen, play, write, communicate, even be creative. The next thing is, as you can see, the size reminds you maybe of a good old-fashioned paper book, your good old schedule, with the measuring of 30 to 21 centimeters is by the way actually the same size. So this is what you can say, yes, I'm used to work with that size, and maybe it's, not maybe, it is a perfect replacement in your email program, in such a travel program. It doesn't matter, it's a really outstanding performance coming with the S Pen in combination with that. As you can see, we have a really wide range of different products, and that makes sense. So everyone is different. Everyone wants to set a little bit of popularity.
Sí, estamos bien. ¿Tenéis tarjeta vosotros? Sí, los tres, sí.